So this is a walk around at Captain Stevenson's Point, just really testing the microphone and the new 360 X5 camera. So it arrived today, all the way from China in 2 weeks. It was only released at the end of last month, so it's the latest of the latest. 8K video, I believe. So here we are, glass off, calm wind, walking around Captain Stevenson's Point. So I can do all sorts of things here, like put the camera down in the ground, over the edge. It's a long 3-metre pole, so I can extend the pole out. Make it look like almost a droney. Probably can't hear me from way up there. Spin it down, over the edge, take it up. Reframe that and see what it looks like. Brilliant. How about we fly down between the tree here? Too going to take my drone through that part.